welcome. This is an open collaboration hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel. And this is her Tuesday, every Tuesday of the month at 6 p.m., an open collaboration. And she said we can do a freestyle. So, Anna, I hope you don't mind. I end up doing something on my kitchen island. Y'all know I like doing things just a little bit different. But I'm going to set a table setting for 3. Friends, I just shot my stash to do this tablescape on my island, and I really didn't realize the stuff that I have to make tablescapes. So I hope you enjoy this. Friends, once again, everything I have already had. These glasses I bought from the thrift store, and they came in a set of 6 or 7 and very cheap. These buffalo napkins with the word blessed, because we are so blessed. I got them from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. And every time, guys, we are blessed to have a table of food on our table in our home. Just know you are blessed, because there are so many people out there who don't have a decent meal. So being that buffalo color is in the gold, I use my gold chargers, my black plates, my gold spoons from Amazon, the champagne mats. Guys, everything just worked together. And I'm just loving this black. That black accent is the way to go. There's so much you can do with decor and tablescapes. You can glam it up, glam it down, make it simple, elegant, bohemian, do a natural look. Guys, ain't no limit on what y'all can do. So I'm just so excited about this, because this gives me the opportunity to learn to do other things. Now, that black and white vase, I made that doing Antoinette's vignette, so I decided to use that. That black lantern, that was last year holiday Christmas. I got it from Aldi's for $10. And guys, y'all know that little statue came from Ross. So guys, I'm always shopping on a budget. So friends, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I like to make it sweet and simple. And I'm doing this on my kitchen island. Maybe next time I might set a 2-place setting. I don't know. But I thank Anna for putting this together. And friends, if you're new here, I would love for you to join my channel. I am almost at that 2,000 mark. Guys, help me to keep on pushing toward that mark. Let us all grow together. And remember, God loves us. Let's come together in love and unity. Unity brings strength. Guys, I appreciate every one of you. And if I have not gotten back to your channel, just know I have seen your comment and I truly appreciate it. I love you with the love of God. Y'all be blessed and always pray. And pray for me if you don't have nobody to pray for. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for this collab, Miss Anna, and everyone that has participated. Bye-bye.